The Utah Web Development 1 course is designed to be a semester-long high school level course that introduces students to the fundamentals of web design and development using HTML and CSS. Students will apply these concepts to create engaging, multi-page websites throughout the course. The course is laid out in 5 modules, including the final project. The first module explores internet concepts, including ethical and legal considerations, as well as cybersecurity and computer science careers. The second module introduces basic HTML concepts such as hyperlinks, images, tables, and lists. Finally, in the third module, they also are introduced to styling with CSS. The fourth module expands on both of these concepts as students learn to take their web pages to the next level. The final project for this course has students applying all of these concepts as they build their own homepage hosted by CodeHS.